राम 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 सर्वेभ्यः हृत्पूर्वक नमस्काराः. Welcome to this webinar, Learn to Chant Shri Venkateshwara Suprabhatam. So we have completed 27 verses of Suprabhatam and we have 2 more left and we are going to learn those today. After which I will quickly recap all the verses. This has been a request I've received from many and it's very similar to the requests we receive in other courses also. So I will recap the verses once, followed by individual chanting. So you can raise your hand and I will unmute each of you and you could chant one verse per person. So we will have some time for individual chanting today. Yeah, let us begin. गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो. Just the first verse, then we will move to the 28th verse directly today because I will be revising after we finish learning 29 verses. Kausalya supraja rama purva sandhya pravartate उत्तिष्ठ नरशार्दूल कर्तव्यं दैवमान्हिकम्. Twenty-eighth verse. Vibha, please unmute and share your webcam. Ram 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 Vibha. लक्ष्मी निवास
लक्ष्मी निवास लक्ष्मी निवास
निरवध्य गुणैक सिंधो
निरवध्य गुणैक सिंधो निरवध्य गुणैक सिंधो
संसार सागर
संसार सागर संसार सागर
समुत्तरणैक सेतो
समुत्तरणैक सेतो समुत्तरणैक सेतो
वेदांत वेद्य
वेदांत वेद्य वेदांत वेद्य
निज वैभव भक्त भोग्य
निज वैभव भक्त भोग्य निज वैभव भक्त भोग्य
श्री वेंकटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम्.
श्री वेंकटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम् श्री वेंकटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम्.
उत्तमम्. लक्ष्मी निवास निरवध्य गुणैक सिंधो. Dho is Mahaprana. Dho is always a dirgha, that is a long letter. Samsara sagara samuttaranika seto. This is again one word. We took a pause after sagara only for the purposes of learning the first time. Next time onwards, we are going to learn the entire line together. So no pause in between. Vedanta Vedya Nija Vaibhava. Bha is Mahaprana. Bhakta Bhogya. Bha, bha. Here Bha and Bho Mahaprana. Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam. Now one line at a time. Lakshmi Nivasa Niravadya Gunaika Sindho
लक्ष्मीनिवास निरवध्य गुणैकसिन्धो लक्ष्मीनिवास निरवध्य गुणैकसिन्धो
संसार सागर समुत्तरणैकसेतो
संसार सागर समुत्तरणैकसेतो संसार सागर समुत्तरणैकसेतो
वेदांत वेद्य निज वैभव भक्त भोग्य
वेदान्त वेद्य निज वैभव भक्त भोग्य वेदान्त वेद्य निज वैभव भक्त भोग्य
श्री वेंकटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम्
श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम् श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम्
Okay, now two padas, that is two lines at a time. लक्ष्मी निवास निरवध्य गुणैक सिंधो संसार सागर समुत्तरणैक सेतो
लक्ष्मीनिवास निरवध्य गुणैकसिन्धो संसार सागर समुत्तरणैकसेतो लक्ष्मीनिवास निरवध्य गुणैकसिन्धो संसार सागर समुत्तरणैकसेतो
वेदांत वेद्य निज वैभव भक्त भोग्य श्री वेंकटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम्
वेदान्त वेद्य निज वैभव भक्त भोग्य श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम् वेदान्त वेद्य निज वैभव भक्त भोग्य श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम्
उत्तमम्. Now the entire verse. लक्ष्मी निवास निरवध्य गुणैक सिंधो संसार सागर समुत्तरणैक सेतो वेदांत वेद्य निज वैभव भक्त भोग्य श्री वेंकटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम्
लक्ष्मीनिवास निरवध्य गुणैकसिन्धो संसार सागर समुत्तरणैकसेतो वेदान्त वेद्य निज वैभव भक्त भोग्य श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम्
उत्तमम्. Now next verse, Shivani. So this is the last verse of Sri Venkateshwara Suprabhatam. That is the first component. After this, we have Stotram followed by Prapatti and Mangala Shasanam. And these four components together are Sri Venkateshwara Suprabhatam. Though the first part is also called Venkateshwara Suprabhatam itself. इत्थं वृषाचलपतेरिह सुप्रभातम्
इत्थं वृषाचलपतेरिह सुप्रभातम् इत्थं वृषाचलपतेरिह सुप्रभातम्
ये मानवाः प्रतिदिनम्
ये मानवाः प्रतिदिनं
पठितुं प्रवृत्ताः
पठितुं प्रवृत्ताः
तेषां प्रभातसमये स्मृतिरङ्गभाजाम्
तेषां प्रभातसमये स्मृतिरङ्गभाजाम् तेषां प्रभातसमये स्मृतिरङ्गभाजाम्
प्रज्ञां परार्थसुलभाम्
प्रज्ञां परार्थसुलभाम् प्रज्ञां परार्थसुलभाम्
परमां प्रसूते
परमां प्रसूते परमां प्रसूते
उत्तमम् इत्थं th is mahaprana ittham so first t is alpaprana the next tha is mahaprana vrishachalapateriha suprabhatam bha is mahaprana ye manavaha pratidinam so visarga followed by pa that is now you all will be familiar it is called upadhmaniya so instead of chanting the visarga completely we chant it as ye manavav pratidinam we do not chant the visarga as ye manavaha while chanting the pada we chant it as ye manavav pratidinam pathitum phi is mahaprana pravrittaha tesham prabhata samaye bha is mahaprana smritiranga bhajam again bha is mahaprana prajnam please note the pronunciation of this letter it is gnya like you have in jnanam that gnya so please do not say gna that is different that letter is g and na this letter is also what we call a sanyuktaksharam it has two consonants two vyanjanas and of course a swara combined here which is a and an anuswara so it is not to be pronounced as gna agnihi that is different that is ga and na here it is gnya like jnanam prajnam parartha sulabham tha and bha are mahapranas paramam prasute इत्थं वृषाचलपतेरिह सुप्रभातम् ये मानवाः प्रतिदिनं पठितुं प्रवृत्ताः
इत्थं वृषाचलपतेरिह सुप्रभातम् ये मानवाः प्रतिदिनं पठितुं प्रवृत्ताः इत्थं वृषाचलपतेरिह सुप्रभातम् ये मानवाः प्रतिदिनं पठितुं प्रवृत्ताः
तेषां प्रभातसमये स्मृतिरङ्गभाजाम् प्रज्ञां परार्थसुलभां परमां प्रसूते
तेषां प्रभातसमये स्मृतिरङ्गभाजाम् प्रज्ञां परार्थसुलभां परमां प्रसूते तेषां प्रभातसमये स्मृतिरङ्गभाजाम् प्रज्ञां परार्थसुलभां परमां प्रसूते
now the entire verse इत्थं वृषाचलपतेरिह सुप्रभातम् ये मानवाः प्रतिदिनं पठितुं प्रवृत्ताः तेषां प्रभातसमये स्मृतिरङ्गभाजाम् प्रज्ञां परार्थसुलभां परमां प्रसूते
इत्थं वृषाचलपतेरिह सुप्रभातम् ये मानवाः प्रतिदिनं पठितुं प्रवृत्ताः तेषां प्रभातसमये स्मृतिरङ्गभाजां प्रज्ञां परार्थसुलभां परमां प्रसूते.
Tamam. So, with this, we have completed learning the first component, Sri Venkateshwara Suprabhatam. Let me recap all the verses once. There have been multiple requests that you want all the verses at a stretch so that it would be easier for you to practice. So, today's recording, if you refer to, you will get all the verses in the same class, in the same session. And maybe after this, after we complete this course, of course, before we have the assessments, we will also upload audio recording on the portal, but that would be only Parayanam, that is not in the repeating mode, but continuously chanting all the verses. If you want to practice in the repeating mode, then please refer to the YouTube recordings, which are uploaded regularly every day, and you could practice along with them. So let us begin quickly. We will recap all the verses, followed by individual chanting. Please raise your hands and I will unmute each of you. Kausalya Supraja Rama Purva Sandhya Pravartate Uttishthana Narashardula Kartavyam Daivamanhikam Uttishthottishtha Govinda Uttishttha Garudadhvaja Uttishttha Kamalakanta Trailokyam Mangalam Kuru Matah Samasta Jagatam Madhukaita Bharehe Vaksho Viharini Manohara Divya Murte Shri Swamini Shrita Jana Priyadana Shile Shri Venkatesha Daite Tava Suprabhatam Tava Suprabhatam Aravindalochane Bhavatu Prasanna Mukha Chandra Mandale Vidhi Shankarendra Vanita Bhirarchite Vrisha Shailanatha Daite Dayanidhe Atriadi Saptarshaya Samupasya Sandhyam Akasha Sindhu Kamalani Manoharani Adaya Padayugamarchayitum Prapannaha Sheshadrishekhara Vibho Tava Suprabhatam Panchananabja Bhava Shanmukha Vasavadhyah Traivikramadi Charitam Vibudhastu Vanti Bhashapati Pathati Vasara Shuddhi Marat Sheshadrishekhara Vibho Tava Suprabhatam ईषत् प्रफुल्ल सरसीरुहनारिकेल पूगद्रुमादि सुमनोहर पालिकानाम् आवाति मन्दमनिलः सह दिव्यगन्धैः शेषाद्रिशेखर विभो तव सुप्रभातम् उन्मील्य नेत्रयुगमुत्तम पञ्जरस्थाः पात्रावशिष्टकदलीफलपायसानि भुक्त्वा सलीलमथकेलिशुकाः पठन्ति शेषाद्रिशेखर विभो तव सुप्रभातम् तन्त्री प्रकर्ष मधुरस्वनया विपञ्च्या गायत्यनन्तचरितं तव नारदोऽपि भाषा समग्रमसकृत्करचाररम्यं शेषाद्रिशेखर विभो तव सुप्रभातम् भृङ्गावली च मकरन्दरसानुविद्ध झङ्कारगीतनिनदैः सह सेवनाय निर्यात्युपान्तसरसीकमलोदरेभ्यः शेषाद्रिशेखर विभो तव सुप्रभातम् योषागणेन वरदध्निविमथ्यमाने घोषालयेषु दधिमन्थन तीव्रघोषाः रोषात् कलिं विदधते ककुभश्च कुम्भाः शेषाद्रिशेखर विभो तव सुप्रभातम् पद्मेशमित्रशतपत्रगतालिवर्गाः हर्तुं श्रियङ्कुवलयस्य निजाङ्गलक्ष्म्या भेरीनिनादमिव बिभ्रति तीव्रनादम् शेषाद्रिशेखर विभो तव सुप्रभातम् श्रीमन्नभीष्टवरदाखिललोकबन्धो श्री श्रीनिवास जगदेकदयैकसिन्धो श्रीदेवता गृहभुजान्तर दिव्यमूर्ते श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम् श्रीस्वामि पुष्करिणिका प्लवनिर्मलाङ्गाः श्रेयोर्थिनो हरविरिञ्च सनन्दनाद्याः द्वारे वसन्ति वरवेत्रहतोत्तमाङ्गाः श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम् श्रीशेषशैलगरुडाचलवेङ्कटाद्रिनारायणाद्रिवृषभाद्रिवृषाद्रिमुख्याम् आख्यान् त्वदीयवसतेरनिशं वदन्ति श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम् सेवापरा शिवसुरेश कृशानुधर्मरक्षोऽम्बुनाथ पवमानधनाधिनाथाः बद्धाञ्जलिप्रविलसन्निजशीर्षदेशाः श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम् धाटीषु ते विहगराज मृगाधिराज नागाधिराज गजराज हयाधिराजाः स्वस्वाधिकारमहिमादिकमर्थयन्ते श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम् सूर्येन्दुभौमबुधवाक्पतिकाव्यसौरिस्वर्भानुकेतु दिविषत्परिषत्प्रधानाः त्वद्दासदासचरमावधिदासदासाः श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम् त्वत्पादधूलिभरितस्फुरितोत्तमाङ्गाः स्वर्गापवर्गनिरपेक्षनिजान्तरङ्गाः कल्पागमाकलनयाकुलतान् लभन्ते श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम् त्वद्गोपुराग्रशिखराणि निरीक्षमाणाः स्वर्गापवर्गपदवीं परमां श्रयन्तः मर्त्या मनुष्यभुवने मतिमाश्रयन्ते श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम् श्रीभूमिनायकदयादिगुणामृताब्धे देवादिदेव जगदेकशरण्यमूर्ते श्रीमन्ननन्तगरुडादिभिरर्चिताङ्घ्रे श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम् श्रीपद्मनाभ पुरुषोत्तम वासुदेव वैकुण्ठ माधव जनार्दन चक्रपाणे श्रीवत्स चिह्न शरणागत पारिजात श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम् कन्दर्पदर्पहर सुन्दर दिव्यमूर्ते कान्ताकुचाम्बुरुह कुट्मललोल दृष्टे कल्याण निर्मल गुणाकर दिव्यकीर्ते श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम् मीनाकृते कमठकोल नृसिंहवर्णिन् स्वामिन् परश्वथत पोधन रामचन्द्र शेषांश राम यदुनन्दन कल्किरूप श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम् एलालवङ्गघनसार सुगन्धितीर्थम् दिव्यं वियत्सरिति हेमघटेषु पूर्णम् धृत्वाद्य वैदिकशिखामणयः प्रहृष्टाः तिष्ठन्ति वेङ्कटपते तव सुप्रभातम् भास्वानुदेति विकचानि सरोरुहाणि सम्पूरयन्ति निनदैः ककुभो विहङ्गाः श्रीवैष्णवाः सततमर्थितमङ्गलास्ते धामाश्रयन्ति तव वेङ्कटसुप्रभातम् ब्रह्मादयः सुरवराः समहर्षयस्ते सन्तः सनन्दनमुखास्त्वथ योगिवर्याः धामान्तिके तव हि मङ्गलवस्तु हस्ताः श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम् लक्ष्मीनिवास निरवध्य गुणैकसिन्धो संसारसागर समुत्तरणैकसेतो वेदान्त वेद्य निज वैभव भक्त भोग्य श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम् इत्थं वृषाचलपतेरिह सुप्रभातम् ये मानवाः प्रतिदिनं पठितुं प्रवृत्ताः तेषां प्रभातसमये स्मृतिरङ्गभाजां प्रज्ञां परार्थसुलभां परमां प्रसूते. Okay, so this is Shri Venkateshwara Suprabhatam. We have learnt 29 verses. Now I will unmute each of you. Also request you to please lower your hand once you finish your turn, because I do not want to call out the same names again and again, those who have finished chanting. So please lower your hand. And another request, we do not have time for individual chanting every day in every class because it is a short course. So we will only have maybe around 3 to 4, or probably only around 3 to 4 opportunities for individual chanting in this entire webinar. So I request those whom I unmute and call your name to immediately start chanting the verse. And questions, you could type it in the chat column, because if we start having a discussion on anything, a lot of others are waiting to chant and they will not be able to chant. So please restrict yourself to chanting itself so that more persons will have an opportunity to chant. And others, whoever has questions, please type it out in the chat column. We already have around 70 participants who have raised their hand. So let us see. I will try to give an opportunity to as many as possible. If I can't, then I will write down the names. So next time I will give others an opportunity. So let us begin. Ravi Mulukutla Mahodayah, please unmute.
Ram
Yes.
Ram Guru. Ram Ram Guru.
Yes, the first verse, please.
Kausalya Supraja Rama Purva Sandhya Pravartate Uttishta Narasardhula Kartavyam Daivamannikam.
Uttamam Mahodaya. Dhanyavadaha. Well chanted.
Dhanyavad.
Please lower your hand, whoever has. Suman Bala. And also please go back to mute. I will try to mute each of you, but in case I could please go back to mute.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
उत्तिष्ठ गोविन्द उत्तिष्ठ गरुडध्वज उत्तिष्ठ कमलाकान्त त्रैलोक्यं मङ्गलं कुरु.
So here, Bhagini, it is not Uttistha, it is Uttishta. Sh and tha. It is not stha, it is Uttishthotishta Govinda. Uttishta, everywhere it is the same thing. It is Uttishta and Garuda Dhvaja. There is a Dvitvam. It is not Garuda Dhvaja. Garuda Dhvaja. Stress before dh. Garuda Dhvaja. Uttishta, please practice this word Uttishta correctly. Kamalakanta Trailokyam Mangalam Kuru. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Please note the changes which I request you all to make so that you will be able to focus on that when you're practicing. KV Lakshmi Raghavan Bhagini, please unmute.
Namaste. Ram Ram.
Namaste. The third verse.
Matah samasta jagatam madhukaita bharehe vaksho viharini manohara divya murte Shri Swami Nishrita Jana Priyadana Shile Shri Venkatesha Daite Tava Suprabhatam.
Uttamam Bhagini, very well chanted. The Mahapranas, the Dvitvam, everything was very clear. Very well chanted. Dhanyavadaha. Next, Shivashankar Mahodaya, please unmute.
Ram Ram Ram. My wife will.
Yes, yes. If more than one of you are learning from the same place, please let me know. So each of you could chant individually, one after the other.
Both of us have registered, madam.
Oh,
But
okay.
she is there.
Oh, okay, no problem.
तव सुप्रभातमरविन्दलोचने भवतु प्रसन्नमुखचन्द्रमण्डले विधिशङ्करेन्द्र वनिताभिरर्चिते वृषशैलनाथ दयिते दयानिधे.
Uttamam Bhagini, very well chanted, and also the Mahapranas were very, very clear. Dhanyavadaha, very well chanted. Karthik Narayana Swami Mahodaya, please unmute.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram, the fifth verse, please.
Atraya disapatras samapasa sandhyam Akasha Sindhu Kamalani Manoharani Adaya Padughamya Charitam Prapanya Sheshadrishekara Vibho Tava Suprabhatam.
The second line was okay. The first and the third line had many errors in identifying the letters itself. So I will
Yes.
just read out once. You please listen. Then you could practice with the recording.
Okay.
Atyadi sapta rishayas samupasya sandhyam akasha sindhu kamalani manoharani. That line was okay. Next line. Adaya padayugamarchayitum prapannaha. The second word, there was some confusion there. The last line was okay. Sheshadri Shekhara Vibho Tava Suprabhatam. But even in the last line, you have to focus on Mahapranas.
Okay.
So, Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवादः भगिनी.
Next, Venkatanarayana Panchikarla Mahodaya.
राम 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 भगिनी.
Ram Ram Ram.
पंचाननाब्ज भवषण्मुखवासवाद्याः त्रयविक्रमादिचरतं विबुधाः स्तुवन्ति. भाषापतिः पठति वासरशुद्धिमारात्. शेषाद्रिशेखर विभो तव सुप्रभातम्.
Dhanyavadaha. There are few things to note. Traivikramadi charitam vibudhastuvanti. Here there was slight confusion. Next line. Bhasha patihi pathati. Because it is a visarga followed by pa, we do not chant the visarga completely. We chant it as Bhasha patif pathati. So that is an upadhmaniya. As you practice, you will be more familiar with this concept. Whenever visarga is followed by pa, we say bhasha patif pathati. So we do not chant the visarga completely. Vasara shuddhi marat. Then another observation is to please focus more on Mahapranaha. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Next, Pradnya Ambatipudi. Please unmute. Pradnya. Pradnya Bhagini. Please unmute. Okay, I can't even. Pradnya, please unmute. Ha.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram. Ha. Vadatu. Please chant.
ईशत् प्रफुल्ल सरसीरुहनारिकेल पूगद्रुमादिषु मनोहर पालिकानाम् आवाति मन्दमनिलस्सह दिव्य गन्धैः शेषाद्रिशेखर विभो तव सुप्रभातम्.
Uttamam Pragnya. Are you learning Sanskritam?
आम् महोदय.
Uttamam. Kasyam kakshyayam pathati bhavati?
Eighth class.
8th standard.
आम् महोदय.
हाँ, उत्तमम. सम्यक् अभ्यासं करोतु. कंठस्थं करोतु. धन्यवादाः. धन्यवादाः. Sushila Venkataraman Bhagini, please unmute.
Unmilya netrayugamuttama panjarasthaha patra vashishta kadali phalapayasani bhuktva salila mathakeli shukha padanti sheshadrishekhara vibho Tava Suprabhatam.
Uttamam Bhagini, more or less everything was okay. Just one thing here. Keli Shuka Pathanti. So this is again Visarga followed by Pa, which is Upadhmaniya.
Upadhmaniya.
So instead of Upadhmaniya, I heard a slight Mahaprana Ka. So that it happens, I mean, that we have seen while practicing initially. So Keli Shuka Pathanti. There is no Mahaprana Ka here. Upadhmaniya should be clear and Pathanti Tha Mahaprana should be clear.
धन्यवादः महोदय।
धन्यवादाः भगिनी, धन्यवादाः। नेक्स्ट विहान पुराणिक, प्लीज अनम्यूट।
Ram 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 ma'am. I and my brother also want it. I and my brother will chant.
Okay, so Vihan, and what is your brother's name?
Pragun Puranik.
Okay, so first who is chanting?
I will chant ma'am.
Okay, Vihan, go ahead.
तंत्री प्रकर्ष मधुरस्वनया विपञ्च्या गायत्यनन्तचरितं तव नारदोऽपि भाषा समग्रमसकृत्कर चाररम्यं शेषाद्रिशेखर विभो तव सुप्रभातम्।
उत्तमं विहान। Kanthastham karotu. Like you memorized Gita and Raghuvira Gadyam, please memorize this also.
Okay, ma'am, I will.
Uttamam, well chanted. Pragun?
Ram 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 Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
भृङ्गाबलीचमकरन्दरसानुविद्ध जङ्कारगीतनिनदैः सह सेवनाय निर्यात्युपान्तसरसी कमलोदरेभ्यः शेषाद्रिशेखरविभो तव सुप्रभातम्।
उत्तमं प्रगुण। भवानपि कंठस्थं करोतु। धन्यवादाः प्रगुण and Vihan, well chanted. Now Pavitra Sadashivam Bhagini, please unmute.
नमस्कारं भगिनी।
नमस्ते।
योषा गणेन वरदग्नि विमत्तयमाने मत्यमाने गोशालयेषु दधिमन्त्यनतीव्रघोषाः रोषात् कलिं विदधते ककुभश्च कुम्भाः शेषाद्रिशेखर विभो तव सुप्रभातम्।
One general observation is your Mahapranas need to improve. Varadadhni vimathya ghoshalayeshu dadhimanthana tibra ghoshaha. Lot of Mahapranas in this verse. Next line also vidadhate kakubhascha kumbhaha. So each of the Mahapranas should be chanted clearly, and some letters like vimathyamane, dadhimanthana. Next line, I think vidadhate. There was some confusion in some of these places. Bhagini, if you listen to the recording and practice, it would become better. Dhanyavada. Pragnya Bhatt Bhagini, please unmute. Pragnya Bhatt Bhagini.
नमस्ते भगिनी। राम राम राम।
नमस्ते।
पद्वेषमित्रशतपत्रगतालिवर्गाः हर्तुं श्रियं कुवलयस्य निजाङ्गलक्ष्म्या भेरीनिनादमिव बिभ्रतितीव्रनादम् शेषाद्रिशेखर विभो तव सुप्रभातम्।
Uttamam Pragnya, very well chanted.
धन्यवाद।
Dhanyavadaha. Phanishri Bhagini, please unmute.
राम 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 भगिनी।
राम राम राम।
श्रीमन्नभीष्टवरदाखिललोकबन्धो श्री श्रीनिवास जगदेकदयैकसिन्धो श्रीदेवता गृहभुजान्तर दिव्यमूर्ते श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम्। धन्यवाद।
Uttamam Bhagini, I have received your email. I will reply to it. Yes, okay. Next. HR Nagaraj Mahodayah.
Namaste, Ram Ram Bhagini. My wife is also there. It is possible to accommodate?
Yes, yes. One after the other, you could chant, please.
Sri Swami Pushkarini.
Yes.
Sri Swami Pushkarini Kaplava Nirmalangaha Shreyorthino Haravirincha Sanandanadhyaha Dware Vasanti Varavetrahatottamanga Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam.
Uttamam Mahodaya, very well chanted. Before we move to the next verse, I just wanted to share one thing about this particular shloka. One of you had asked me about 2 days ago that your script says Hara Virinchi. So both are acceptable. There will be many pathantaras in any shloka. So multiple versions. Most and predominantly it would be the same, but here and there could be some differences. This is one such shloka. Hara Virinchi or Hara Virincha, both are right. Hara refers to Maheshwara or Lord Shiva, and Virincha or Virinchi both refer to Brahma. So both are correct grammatically. Whichever you want, you could follow. Some scripts have Hara Virinchi, some have Hara Virincha. Both are correct. So I hope that the doubt is cleared. Now we will move to the next verse.
Sheshaila Garudachala Venkatadri Narayanadri Vrishabhadri Narayanadri Vrishabhadri Mukhyam Akhyam Tvadiya Vasalera Nisham Vadanti Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam.
Uttamam Bhagini, just please focus on this word Vrishabhadri. So there was some slight confusion. Vrishabhadri. Bha is Mahaprana. Dhanyavadaha to both of you. Kamini Bhagini. Kamini Jeevanatham Bhagini, please unmute.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste.
Sheva para Shiva Shuresha Krishanu Dharma Rakshambunada Bhavamana Dhanadinada Vattanjali Pravila Sannija Shirsha Deshaha Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam.
Bhagini, the first line, Seva Parashiva Suresha. So this after Visarga, the she, the Sandhi should be clearer. So like I told you while we learned, Visarga followed by she. Instead of the Visarga, we chant Seva Parashiva Suresha Krishanu Dharma. Next line, I think you felt slightly breathless while chanting the line.
Yes, Bhagini.
That is why you could not chant some Mahapranas properly. But when you're practicing, just familiarizing yourself with the words, it's okay if you take a pause after Shiva Suresha Krishanu Dharma, then Rakshambunatha Pavamana Dhanajinathaha. So in those places, you can afford to take a breath. But as you start practicing, you will definitely be able to recite both lines at a stretch. So that is just one tip. And rest of it was okay, Bhagini. Dhanyavada.
Okay. Dhanyavada.
Okay, I still see 85 raised hands. So I don't think all of you will be able to chant today. Apologies for that. Like I said, I'm writing down the names so that next time when we have individual chanting, I will give the first preference to those who haven't chanted before. Mani Bhagini, please unmute. Mani Pappu Bhagini.
Yes, ma'am. Dhati ghate vihakaraja mrugadhiraja swaswadhikara mahimadhikamarthayante नागाधिराज गजराज हयाधिराजाः श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम्.
Could you say the first word again, Bhagini? Just the first word?
Yeah. Dhati ghate. Dhati.
It is dhati shute, not dhati ghate.
Okay. Dhati shute vihagaraja mrugadhiraja swaswadhikara mahimadhikamarthayante.
Just a second, Bhagini. You are interchanging the second and the third lines. So it is dhati shute vihagaraja mrigadhiraja nagadhiraja gajaraja hayadhiraja. That is the second line.
Acha. In my book, it was the swaswadhikara. Sorry. I will change it.
Please change it. So
Yeah. Sure. Yeah.
I have never come across any version where these two lines are interchanged, because that mrigadhiraja nagadhiraja is a samasta padam. It is actually one word. There is no gap also, which is why you see that hyphen there.
Yeah. I will correct it in my book. Okay. Dhanyavada.
Prasad ji Mahodayah, I have received your email. I will reply to it. Sorry for the delay. Please unmute.
Suryendu bhauma buddha vakpati kavya sauri swarbanuketu divishat parishat pradhanaha tvaddasa dasa charamavadhidasa dasaha Shri Venkatachalapate tava suprabhatam.
Uttamam Mahodaya, very well chanted. Dhanyavadaha. You've asked me very good questions. I will reply to it. Sunita Bhagini, please unmute.
Patpadhuli bharitaspuritottamanga.
I can't hear you, Bhagini. Sunita Bhagini, lost your voice, can't hear you. Okay, maybe the audio is Bhagini, I could only hear the first line, then the last three lines I couldn't hear. Lost the audio in between.
Can I chant it again, Bhagini?
Yes, please.
Can I chant it again?
Yes, please.
Tatpadadhuli bharitastpuritottamanga Swargapavarga nirapeksha nijantarangaha Kalpagama kalanaya kulatam labhante Shri Venkatachalapate tava suprabhatam.
Uttamam Bhagini, dhanyavadaha. Next, Renuga Subramanian Bhagini, please unmute.
Ram Mahodaya.
Ram.
Tvadgopuragrashikarani nirichamana Swargapavarga padavim paramam shrayantaha Martya manushya bhuvane madima shrayante Shri Venkatachalapate tava suprabhatam.
Yeah, Uttamam. The Mahapranas here, Shikharani, they need to be clearer, Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
Okay. Yes, so even in the verse Mukhastvatha Mukhastava, in that verse, Bhargavi Bhagini replying to your message, yes, both versions are there. We are following Mukhastvatha. I know that Mukhastvatha is definitely right. I will just find out if Mukhastava is also acceptable, but I have definitely heard and seen that version also. It should be okay. I think it's fine. Yes, if there is any other view, I will get back to you. So both are okay. Mukhastava, Mukhastvatha. Both versions are correct. We are following Mukhastvatha. Chandrakala Bhagini, please unmute.
आं भगिनी राम राम भगिनी
Ram Ram Ram.
श्रीभूमिनायक दयादिगुणामृताब्धे देवाधिदेव जगदेक शरण्यमूर्ते श्रीमन्ननन्त गरुडाधिविरर्चिताङ्घ्रे श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम्.
Uttamam, the first line, Dayadi Gunamritabdhe, that Mahaprana in the end could be clearer. Dhanyavadaha. Priyadarshini Bhagini, please unmute. Yes, Priyadarshini Bhagini.
श्रीपद्मनाभ पुरुषोत्तम वासुदेव वैकुण्ठ माधव जनार्दन चक्रपाणे श्रीवत्स चिन्क शरणागत पारिजात श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम्.
Uttamam Bhagini, well chanted. Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवाद.
Next, Devasena Venkataraman Bhagini, please unmute. Devasena.
Yes. श्रीपद्मनाभ पुरुषोत्तम वासुदेव वैकुण्ठ माधव जनार्दन चक्रपाणे श्रीवत्स चिन्न शरणागत पारिजात श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम्.
Uttamam, Dagini, just one thing, all the Mahapranas should be chanted clearly. Vaikuntha Madhava. The next line, Shrivatsa Chinha. Please note the pronunciation of that word, Shrivatsa Chinha. Then last line also, Suprabhatam, Mahaprana. Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada.
Chandra S. Please unmute. I will change the slide. Chandra S.
Yes, madam. Yes. Khanda.
Bhagini, there is a lot of echo. If you have logged in from more than one device, please log out from one of the devices. Usually that happens when you have multiple devices logged in from the same location.
Okay. Khanda pada prada. I'm not comfortable with the English or Sanskrit.
Okay, which language are you comfortable with, Bhagini? Which language do you read?
Just 1 second.
Okay, then we'll get back to you. I'll take others. You please get your script.
Yeah, 1 second.
Okay, sure. I'll get back to you. Next, G.S. Nageshwar Rao Mahodaya.
दर्पहर सुंदर दिव्यमूर्ते कांताकुचाम्बुरुह कुट्मललोल दृष्टे कल्याणि निर्मल गुणाकर दिव्यकीर्ते श्रीवेंकटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम्.
It is Kalyana. I heard it as Kalyani. It is Kalyana. Kalyana Nirmala Gunakara Divya Kirte. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Shankar Srinivasan Mahodaya, please unmute.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram.
मीना कृते कमटकोल नृसिंहवर्णिन्
स्वामिन् परिष्वत तपोधन रामचन्द्र शेषांश राम यदुनन्दन कल्की रूप श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम्।
मीनाकृते कमठ, ठ is Mahaprana. Kola Nrisimha Varnin. Somewhere you chanted an ikara. I don't recollect exactly where. Swamin Parashvatha Tapodhana Ramachandra. The Kamatha Mahaprana should be better, Mahodaya. Next line Parashvatha Tapodhana. Dhanyavadaha. Lakshyamrita Bhagini. Please unmute. Chandra S. Bhagini, you could chant next. Please.
Yes, Bhaswano Devi. Huh?
No, please go back to mute. We have one more person who is chanting now. Lakshyamrita Bhagini is chanting. I'll give you a chance next. Lakshyamrita, please chant.
एलालवङ्ग घनसारक्सु सुगन्धितीर्थं दिव्यं वियत्सरित हेमघटेषु पूर्णं धृत्वाद्यवैदिकशिखामणयः प्रहृष्टाः तिष्ठन्ति वेङ्कटपते तव सुप्रभातम्.
Here it is Divyam Viyatsariti. I think you said Divyam Viyatsarita. Divyam Viyatsariti Hema Ghateshu Purnam. And first line Elala Vanga Ghanasara. Ga and Gha Mahaprana and Alpaprana. That should be clear. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Yes, Chandra is Bhagini. You could chant the next verse now. That is 26. Bhasvanudeti.
Bhasvanudeti vikasani saroruhani sampurayanti ninadaiku kakbo bhovihanga Shri Vaishnava sadamartita mangalaste Dhamasrayanti tava venkata suprabhatam.
Here Vikachani, that word should be clearer. Ninadaih kakubho vihangaha, that word should be clearer. Shri Vaishnava satata, here you missed some letters. Shri Vaishnava satata marthita
mangalaste.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Next, Srini Raman. Srini Raman, please unmute. Yes, I will change the verse on the screen. Yes.
Am I able to see? I able to see us too much? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, able to hear you.
Okay. Brahmadaya Suravara Maharshayaste Santasanandana Mukhasthavatha Mukhastvata Yogi Varyaha Dhamantike Tavahi Mangala Vastu Hastaha Sri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam.
Here all of you please decide whether you want to chant Mukhastava or Mukhastvatha. Whichever you chant, it should be clearly chanted. As in, please do not chant something in between both. So you could decide which script you want to follow. We are following Mukhastvatha. Another one is Mukhastava. So whichever you follow, please chant that correctly. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Gomati Sridhar Bhagini. Gomati Sridhar Bhagini, please unmute.
Namo Namaha.
Namo Namaha.
Lakshmi Nivasa Niravadya Gunaika Sindho
संसार सागर समुत्तरनैकसेतो वेदांत वेद्य निज वैभव भक्त भोग्य श्री वेंकटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम्.
Your nas should be clear, Bhagini. That was a consistent observation. Niravadya gunaika na. This ni Lakshmi Nivasa, that na is different from this na. Lakshmi Nivasa Niravadya gunaika sindho. So that na should be clearer. Samsara sagara samuttaranaika seto. Na again should be clearer there. And the Mahapranas, Bhakta Bhogya. Please note the differentiation, Bhagini, between na and na. There are two different letters. Dhanyavadaha. Anuradha Anisetti Bhagini, please unmute.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste.
इत्थं वृषाचलपतेरिह सुप्रभातं ये मानवाः प्रतिदिनं पठितुं प्रवृत्ताः तेषां प्रभातसमये स्मृतिरङ्गभाजां प्रज्ञां परार्थसुलभां परमां प्रसूते.
Uttamam Bhagini, well chanted.
Thank you. Dhanyavada Bhagini.
We will have to stop here today. I'm sorry. I know there are 64 of you waiting, but this will just go on and all of you will have other things to do also. So around 30, maybe 32 of you chanted today. Next time when we have individual chanting, I will call out other names whom I have not called out today. Also, in case we have a lot of you who haven't chanted, then what we could do is we will finish learning the verses and maybe schedule 1 or 2 mock assessment sessions before the assessment, where the focus would be only on you all chanting, like without learning any new verses. So we could do that also to accommodate all of you. Just quickly, I have answered most of the questions. Sorry. Assessment details I will be sharing soon. Sorry, I'm just going through. There are a lot of chat messages. Some are not really questions. When is the assessment? You will get to know the details. It will be after we finish the course, maybe in, okay, this is a very important question. Maybe the last one I would answer for today. Venkateshwara or Venkateshwara. It is not Venkateshwara, please. It is not Ga, it is Ka. Like I always say, Ka, Ga, there is a difference. It is Venkateshwara. It is not Ga. And maybe when you're referring to Tamil script, etc., probably there is a certain confusion, but it is not Venkateshwara. Whatever you might be saying in your language, in Sanskritam, when we are reading a Sanskritam text, Sanskritam work, we have to adhere to the rules of Sanskritam. So it is Venkateshwara, not Ga. There is no Ga in that word. Anyone can join even now. So one of you, your question is whether they can join now. Yes, possible to join even now. The recordings are available and you all could view the recordings, and we have just completed the first component, 3 more components to go. Tomorrow we will be starting with Shri Venkateshwara Stotram. So with that, I will conclude with Shanti Mantraha as usual. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. सर्वेभ्यः धन्यवादाः. Thank you to our panelists. Thank you to each one of you. Anyone wants to join now, please, they can join. There is no bar as such. Anytime they can join. The rules of pronunciation I will keep repeating, so that will help them to catch up on the verses which they have missed. And the recordings are always available, so that would be helpful. See you tomorrow at 5:45 a.m. IST, and we will begin Shri Venkateshwara Stotram. Dhanyavadaha. Ram Ram Ram.